In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an individual product page on a Wix website in 2025. If you've ever found yourself needing to update product details, change images, or adjust pricing on your Wix store, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can personalize your online store with ease. First, let's open your preferred web browser. For today, I'm using Google Chrome, but this should work just fine with any browser you prefer. Navigate to the Wix website by typing in wix.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This will bring you to the login screen where you'll have various options to sign in. Opt to continue with Google, which is typically the quickest way if you already use a Google account for your Wix access. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll see several options and settings, but we're going to focus on editing pages. Look for the Pages and Menu section on the left-hand side and click on it. This will expand a list of all the pages your website currently has. From this list, find and click on the Store Pages option. Within the Store Pages, there will be different types of store-related pages available for editing. Here, you'll want to select Product Page, which will take you right into the product editor. Inside the product editor, you're presented with numerous customization options. It's quite intuitive. To change a product's name or description, simply click on the current text and it will allow you to type in new information. It's a similar process for modifying the product's price and adjusting any discount options if you're running promotions. Changing images and videos is just as simple. Click on the current image and you'll have the option to upload new files from your computer or select from existing media in the Wix gallery. Furthermore, managing inventory is straightforward here as well. You can find SKU details and make any necessary changes to ensure your stock levels are accurately reflected. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or configurations, you can update these under Product Options. This feature gives your customers the ability to select from various options directly on the product page, which can enhance their shopping experience. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made to your product page, be sure to save them. Look for the Save button in the top right corner. This ensures all your hard work is retained, and there you have it, a fully personalized product page on your Wix website, tailored to meet the specific needs of your online business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your website management tasks.